Hey guys, what is center of gravity? Center of gravity is a point where the whole weight of the body can be balanced alone at that point. And in this video I am going to show you how to find out the center of gravity for particular objects. Specifically we took a uniform object and one non-uniform object, and we are going to find out where is the center of gravity and center of mass for that object. In the beginning, let us take this pipe. We will decide this pipe is going to be uniform object or non-uniform object later. But let us find out one simple method how to find out the center of gravity of this object. Okay, so now I am balancing the weight of this pipe at 2 points. Now I will try to move both of my hands in such a way that this pipe is not going to slip out of my hand. Okay, and trying to concentrate the whole weight of the body at one particular point. Let us see how it is going to happen. So if I do so you can clearly see that both of my hands cannot be moved together simultaneously. Okay, but somewhere over at this point the whole weight of the pipe is balanced. So this point in this object is can be called as center of gravity, because the whole weight of the pipe can be balanced alone at this point. And you can also clearly see that this point is going to be the geometric center of this object. Okay. Let us understand why at this point only the whole weight of the body is going to be balanced. It is because of this reason. From this point, the total mass, the entire mass of this object from this point is equally distributed in all the other directions. That is why you can balance the whole weight at this point. And also it is very clear that for this object, this is the geometric center of the object. And this object is going to be called as uniform object, because the geometric center and the center of gravity both are coinciding. Alright, let me take some non-uniform object, but here I don't have a non-uniform object. I can make this object itself as non-uniform just by attach this one at either any one of these ends of this pipe. Okay, let me attach this object over here, and now figure out try to find out where the center of gravity for this object. Will it going to be at the same point or in some other point apart from the geometric center? Okay, let us check. I am doing the same thing. Now the whole weight is balanced at 2 points of the object, and now I will try to balance the whole weight at one particular point. Now you can see I am trying to move both of my hands, but I can't. I am moving only one of my hand, the right hand. So now slowly I can also move the other hand such that this object is not slip out of my hand, and somewhere at this point whole weight of the body can be balanced. So now this is going to be the center of gravity. I mean, from this point the total mass of the body is distributed uniformly in either the two of the directions. And this point is not the geometric center. Geometric center is somewhere over here for this object. So now the center of gravity and the geometric center are not one and the same. It is quietly shifted, and this is why the reason this object is called as non-uniform object. This is non-uniform object because the distribution of mass is not uniform from the geometric center of this object, but the distribution of mass is uniform in all the direction from some other point, okay, which is called a center of gravity. So, and also I want to conclude one more thing. Where the concentration of mass more in this body, the concentration of mass is more over